Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Luna and welcome to my key concept presentation for Info 244 Online Searching. For my presentation, I'll be going over the Boolean operators and how to use them when doing an online search in a database. So let's start with a little bit of history first. In the mid-1800s, the English mathematician and philosopher George Boole looked at how language could have mathematical precision and developed Boolean logic. Although Boole's works didn't have database searching in mind when developing it, his work did focus on the logical processes that are the foundation for modern mathematical logic. The three basic Boolean operators are AND, OR, and NOT. What these three operators can do is connect search terms together to either narrow or broaden a set of results. This comes in handy when you want to focus a search, especially when you have a topic with multiple search terms, or to connect various pieces of information to find exactly what you're searching for. Using a correct Boolean operator can make all the difference when conducting research in a database. So let's jump in here and start with the Boolean operator AND. Let's say, for example, I'm working on a project that is exploring video game music, and I need a couple of articles to get me started. In a database search, I can combine the search terms video game and music. When I run my search, the results will come back will include items that contain both search terms. That's because Boolean operator AND narrows my search results and tells the database that both search terms must be included in the results. One thing to keep in mind with Boolean operator AND is that although your search results may include your search terms, they may not necessarily be combined the way you want. The terms may appear individually throughout the record. Using phrase searching will make your results more specific. Using the example above, I could search video game as a phrase search and music and get the results that I initially have expected. All right, so let's keep this going. So let's say I'm searching for video games in general, but I don't want to limit my results to one type of video game. I want to find information on games from consoles such as an Xbox or PlayStation, but I also want to include games for the PC. In my search, I can combine search terms console game or PC game. And let's say I'm using phrase search for both terms in order to bring up my results. What the Boolean operator OR does is connect two or more similar concepts and broadens my search results. In this case, the OR is indicating to a database to bring back results that include the search term console game or PC game. And oh no, after spending a lot of time searching in databases, I've fallen into a different rabbit hole. And in my search for video games, I decided that I wanted to look up information on Assassins, but not the video game franchise Assassin's Creed. Yes, I know it's a stretch, but I'm sure we've all been there when we're working late into the night and we get sidetracked by something in our research. In this case, the Boolean operator not would be quite helpful. I can use the search terms Assassins, not Assassin's Creed, as a phrase, and all my search results should have excluded the mention of the Assassin's Creed video game franchise. It's a silly example, yes, but it shows how the operator not excludes terms from a search and narrows search results by telling the database to ignore concepts that may be implied by the search terms. So, as I mentioned before, Boolean operators work to connect terms together and narrow or broaden search results, as we've seen right here. And using the right ones can make all the difference in your searches. Happy researching, everyone.